a beautiful poem by Nobel Laureate Rabindranath Tagore. The rain is falling drip drop. The sky is overcast. The day is coming to an end. The sun is about to set. The layers of the clouds are waiting patiently to catch a glimpse of the moon. The bell in the temple is reminding the devotees it's time for prayer. Over on the other side of the falling rain is obscuring the trees. Here on the side, the colorful clouds are looking like 100 gems. The breeze on this cloudy day reminds me of my childhood days. Rain is falling drip drop, the river is overflowing. The clouds surrounding the sky are playing different games. They have no boundaries. They continue playing from country to country. No one forbids them. Living, the participation in the gardens is a joy to behold. It is amazing to see the variety of games displayed by the clouds. These games reminds me of the game of hide and seek. We played in so many corners. With it, I think of the song, Rain is Falling, Drip Drop. Now it's in Bengali. It's called Brishti Pore Tapur Tipur, Rabindranath Tagore. দিনের আলো নিভে এলো, সূর্যি ডুবে ডুবে, আকাশ ঘুরে মেঘ জুটেছে চাঁদের লোভে লোভে, মেঘের উপর মেঘ করেছে রঙের উপর রং, মন্দিরেতে কাসর ঘণ্টা বাজলো ঠং ঠং, ওপারেতে বৃষ্টি এলো ঝাপসা গাছপালা, এপারেতে মেঘের মাথায় 100 মানিক জ্বালা, বাদল হাওয়ায় মনে পড়ে ছেলেবেলার গান, বৃষ্টি পড়ে টাপুর টুপুর নদে এলো বান।